Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes, where we explore the power of movement and mindfulness. Today we're lifting our practice off the ground, literally. Get ready to dive into the world of aerial yoga. Aerial yoga is a unique blend of traditional yoga poses, pilates, and dance, all practiced using a suspended hammock. It's not only fun, but also adds new dimensions to flexibility and strength. Whether you're new to yoga or looking to elevate your practice, aerial yoga might be just what you're looking for. Section 1. What is aerial yoga? Aerial yoga uses fabric hammocks to support your body, allowing you to explore poses with less strain on your joints and spine. The hammock helps you stretch deeper and adds an element of anti-gravity to your practice. One of the best things about aerial yoga is its ability to decompress the spine and improve posture. It's also great for building upper body strength and increasing flexibility. Section 2. Benefits of aerial yoga. So, what are the benefits? Let's take a look. Number 1. Decompression alignment. The hammock supports the body in mid-air, offering a natural spinal traction which can relieve back pain and promote better posture. Number 2. Enhanced flexibility. Aerial yoga allows for deeper stretches by using gravity to your advantage. Number 3. Strength building. Engaging your core and upper body as you move through poses helps to tone and strengthen muscles. Number 4. Stress relief relaxation. The floating sensation is incredibly soothing, and many people say they leave an aerial yoga class feeling mentally refreshed. And let's not forget the ultimate relaxation at the end of class, a blissful savasana in a suspended cocoon. It's like floating on air. Section 3. Is aerial yoga for everyone? You might be wondering, is aerial yoga for me? The answer is yes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned yogi, aerial yoga is adaptable to all fitness levels. Instructors will guide you through modifications to suit your needs. So don't worry if you're not super flexible or strong just yet. Like any new practice, it takes time to build confidence and balance in the hammock. But that's part of the fun. You'll be surprised at how quickly your body adapts. Section 4. How to get started. Ready to give aerial yoga a try? Find a certified aerial yoga studio near you and make sure to wear fitted, comfortable clothing that covers your arms and legs to avoid friction burns from the fabric. Don't forget to warm up before you begin. And as always, listen to your body, move at your own pace, and don't be afraid to ask for modifications. So are you ready to take your yoga practice to new heights? Let me know in the comments if you've tried aerial yoga or if you're excited to give it a shot. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and follow for more yoga tips and tricks, and share this video with your friends who need a little extra lift in their lives. Until next time, stay balanced and keep exploring new possibilities. Namaste.